Hey guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Yeah, just give you a little bit of an update on the channel. Kind of doing a little reboot on my channel here. Been on vacation for a little over a week, and today is August 28th, so it's a Wednesday, and probably not going to be going back to work actually until either tomorrow night, Thursday night, or Friday sometime. So I thought I'd just fill you in what's been going on. The last video I did was from August 4th. I was on my way over to the shop in Wadsworth, Ohio, which I did. I was in the shop all day Monday, all day Tuesday. Ended up getting 4 brand new batteries and the knock sensor replaced on the truck, getting the truck fully serviced, and a couple other little odds and ends. Anyway, yeah, so had a really good vacation down in Surfside Beach, South Carolina, which is just south of Myrtle Beach. Was in a 2-bedroom condo. My sister came down and met me and Melissa there, and had a really good time. Did some beach, did some pool, visited my stepmother down there and her sister, and we really had a great time. And did a lot of eating, of course. You always do on vacation, a lot of good dinners and stuff, seafood and whatnot. And we came home late. Left down there Sunday, drove straight back, and we went down. We left on the Sunday before and stopped overnight in Fredericksburg, Virginia, and then went into Myrtle Beach. Got there Monday afternoon and spent the whole week there, and came back on Sunday. Left Sunday morning, dropped my sister off at the airport, and we drove straight home. We were home I guess we were home Sunday night at 11. So I kind of recuperated a little bit Monday. Yesterday, Tuesday, I got all my stuff ready again for the truck. Checked the truck out. Did a few maintenance things on the truck. And today it's raining. I wanted to go fly some of my model airplanes, but it's been raining today, so probably going to do that tomorrow. And then back, like I said, back to work for Thursday, probably Friday. So we'll get back into the regular trucking videos then. If I go flying tomorrow, I'll probably make a little video on that. Hopefully the weather will cooperate, so I'll show you that. And right after I get done talking to you here, I'll show you some of the clips I took from vacation. I really didn't do a whole lot of video on vacation. I was just kind of trying to relax. So what little bit I did get, I'll see if I can make a little something out of it and show it to you. Otherwise, that's about it. That's an update on the channel. We're going to do a little reboot here and start fresh on some trucking videos starting probably next week. Probably be looking for something, probably Sunday, Monday. So Monday's the first, Labor Day. I'm going to actually, speaking of Labor Day, I'm going to actually work the weekend. So really wanted to come back from vacation and work this week and then be off for Labor Day weekend, but not really working out. Freight market is horrible right now. It's terrible, but going to get back into some dedicated stuff. Going to do some runs up to Vermont, stuff like that. So we're going to take it one day at a time. Anyway, so thanks for stopping in and enjoy some clips from my vacation. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, and welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, 2019, and I'm here in Surfside Beach, South Carolina, on vacation. Alright guys, we just got done at Broadway at the beach here in Myrtle Beach. Watched a nice fireworks show and walked around looking at all the stores for a while. Hey guys, it is August 21st, Wednesday, and headed over to the beach to sit on the beach for a little while. And it is hot, humid, perfect beach weather. And there, about behind me, over my shoulder there, that's where we're staying at. And we just walk across the beach road here, and there's a access to the beach. Thunder, huh? Okay guys, we got to get off the beach because there's lightning in the area. We spent a whole 5 minutes there. We're headed back over to the condo now and see what happens. Alright guys, so right over my shoulder, right up, I think it's right here. That's our unit there on the 3rd floor, that balcony. So these buildings right here behind me kind of block the ocean, but you still can see down through them. Still a nice spot, really nice. Maybe we'll hit the beach tomorrow if it don't work out for the rest of today, because it looks like it may rain. It's just starting to rain. Hey, we are taking a ride down the main drag. What is this, Ocean Boulevard, guys? Ocean Boulevard here in Myrtle Beach. Oh, no I didn't. Beautiful. You just broke his camera. Beautiful picture. Alright guys, we just stopped in here to Krabby Mike's to have dinner. I let everybody out at the front door, it's pretty crowded. Morning, guys. It is Friday morning now, August 23rd. We're gonna try the beach again. We decided to come over early in the morning because it's been kind of raining and storming every afternoon. Hey guys, it's Friday night. We just came out from eating at the Texas Roadhouse. Boy, they got good steaks in there. And we're just getting ready to head out and maybe drive up and ride around Myrtle Beach a little bit and probably go to Dairy Queen. Alright guys. Alright, it is Saturday. Last day here. I'm leaving tomorrow. Headed down to the pool down below here. Take a dip in that. And probably go out and do a little shopping for a little while and then another dinner. And we'll be heading back home tomorrow.